Hey there, welcome back to Skara. In this video, we'll explore how to automate your customer conversations using execution flows, one of Skara's most powerful automation tools. Execution flows help you design complete customer journeys, from greeting customers to routing conversations to the right team, all without writing a single line of code. What are execution flows? Execution flows act like a set of clear instructions your AI assistant follows during a conversation. They define when to start a flow, what actions to take, and how to respond based on what your customer says or does. You can connect triggers, actions, and conditions to create a seamless experience, so your assistant always knows the right next step. Let's create one execution flow together. From your Skara dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click Execution Flows. This is your workspace where all your execution flows are listed. Next, click New Flow in the top right corner. Give your flow a clear name. Let's call this one Conversation Routing Flow, and add a short description so your team knows what it's designed to do. Select the AI pilot that should run this flow, and click Create. You'll now land on the setup screen. Click Select Flow Trigger and choose New Conversation, so the flow starts whenever a customer begins a chat. Now let's build a simple routing flow that directs customers to the right team. Then click Add Action and add message like, "Hi there, welcome to Skara. I'm Skara, your virtual assistant, and I'm here to help." Now let's build a simple routing flow that directs customers to the right agent. Click Add Step and select Ask Question. Type something like, "I can help you with below options." Then add options such as Talk to Sales, Get Product Information, Need Support. If a customer chooses Talk to Sales, route the conversation to your sales agent using the agent action. If they select Get Product Information, assign the conversation to your product agent through the agent action. If they choose Need Support, use another agent action to direct the conversation to your support agent team. Enable Listen to Other Intents to allow the AI agent to detect and respond to queries beyond the current flow. So, if a customer raises something like a support request mid-conversation, the appropriate agent can seamlessly step in. This ensures every conversation reaches the right agent quickly and automatically. Once your steps are connected, click Save. Your AI assistant will now greet customers and route conversations to sales, product, or support without manual intervention. Before going live, test your flow. Click Run Test at the top of the execution flow screen. Skara will simulate the conversation so you can confirm the routing works correctly. Once everything looks good, publish your flow. Best practices. Before wrapping up, here are a few quick tips. Keep routing questions simple and clear. Use execution settings to control when routing runs. Monitor live view and insights to track performance. And that's it. Now it's your turn. Start building your own flows and let your AI assistant handle conversation routing automatically. Thanks for watching.